Good morning students. In today's class we are going to discuss about what is a triangle. Okay, what is a triangle? Let's see here. We are discussing about triangles. What is this triangle? A triangle is a three-sided polygon. In last class we have discussed what is this polygon, right? What is a triangle here? A triangle is a three-sided polygon. Now see here. What is this triangle? This triangle is nothing but what? A three-sided polygon. See here. Here A, B, C is a triangle. Okay, here A, B, C is a triangle. Say symbolically how we will write here. Triangle A, B, C. Say how many vertices are there for this triangle? 3 vertices are there. Yes or no? How many corner points are there for triangle? 1, 2, 3. That is A, B, C are the vertices of a triangle. How many sides are there for this triangle? 3 sides are there for this triangle. Which are those? AB, okay, the line segment AB, BC and AC. Yes or no? 3. What is a triangle? A triangle is a three-sided polygon. Yes, a triangle is a three-sided polygon. It has 3 vertices. Which are those? A, B, C. And how many sides are there for this triangle? 3 sides are. That is side AB, BC and AC. Okay. Say what we can tell about a triangle. A triangle is a three-sided polygon. It has 3 vertices, 3 sides. And how many angles are there for a triangle? How many angles are there? This is 1, here 2 and this is 3. How many angles are there for a triangle? 3 angles are there for a triangle. How we will name that? See, I told in last class. How we are going to name? Angle A, B, C. Okay, this is one angle. Again, angle B, A, C. And one more angle is angle A, C, B. So, 3 angles are there for a triangle. Is it understood? 3 vertices, 3 sides and 3 angles are there for a triangle. Now see here, I will ask one question. You know what is a interior and exterior? Yes? Now here triangle I will name it as D, E, F. Now say suppose here point P is there. Now tell me, here point P is interior of the triangle or exterior of the triangle? This point P is inside the triangle, no? Therefore, this point P is interior of the triangle. Now tell me, where this point Q is? This point Q is on the exterior of the triangle. It is outside of the triangle, no? Therefore, this point Q is on the exterior of the triangle. Now tell me, suppose I write here point E. Say where this point E is. The point E is on the triangle. Is it understood? Now once more I will tell here. We have learnt about triangle. What is this triangle? A triangle is a three-sided polygon. It has 3 sides, no? A triangle is a three-sided polygon. So a triangle has 3 vertices. Isn't it? A triangle has 3 vertices. That is A, B, C. A triangle has how many sides? A triangle has 3 sides. Which are those? Here it is AB, BC and AC. A triangle has 3 angles. Is it understood? Now we have learnt about interior. I told you where this point P is. This point P is in the interior of the triangle. This point Q is exterior of this triangle. And this point E is on the triangle. Is it understood? Now we are going to solve the exercise. Okay, now we are going to solve the exercise 4.4. Now see here, exercise 4.4. See the first question they have given. Draw a rough sketch of a triangle ABC. Mark a point P in its interior and a point Q in its exterior. Is the point A in its exterior or in its interior? Now see what they are given in exercise 4.4. The first question tells us that draw a rough sketch of a triangle ABC. What we have to do? We have to draw a triangle. Okay, how we will draw a triangle? See here, solution. Say draw one triangle. What is that triangle here? A triangle is a three-sided polygon. They are told to draw a rough sketch and label it. The triangle ABC. Yes or no? Now mark a point P in its interior. Where are to mark a point P? In its interior. The point P in the interior of the triangle. A point Q in its exterior. Exterior means here it's outside anyway. Is the point A in its exterior or in its interior? Now tell me, her point A is there, no? Is this point A is exterior or interior? Is the point A is in the exterior or interior? No. This point is on the triangle. Yes or no? This point is on the triangle. They have asked, what they asked the question? Is the point A in its exterior or in its interior? No, this point A is not in the interior also, exterior also. Yes or no? This point is on the triangle. Yes, what we can write here? Point A lies on the triangle ABC. I told this is a triangle symbol, no? This is what? This is a triangle symbol. Okay. Now we will go for the second question. What is the second question they are given? See here. They have given one figure and they told identify three triangles in the figure. Okay, second question they have given, write the names of 7 angles. Third one, write the names of 6 line segments. 6 line segments. D ones here. D question. Which two triangles have angle B as common? Now see, what is the question they are given? Identify 3 triangles in the figure. What we have to identify here? 3 triangles we have to what? 3 triangles we have to identify. So which are the 3 triangles, students, here? So this is one triangle. Yes or no? Triangle ABD is one triangle. Which is one more triangle? So this is also one triangle, no? Triangle ADC. 2 triangles. And which is one more triangle? Leave this line here. ABC. How many triangles are there here? 3 triangles. So what they are told? Solution. A1. Identify 3 triangles. Which are those? Triangle ABD. One more is triangle ADC. And one more is which triangle? Triangle ABC. How many triangles are there here? 3 triangles are there. Is it understood? See, this is one triangle, this is one triangle, and the full triangle. 3 triangles are there. Yes or no? This is about A1. B here. Write the names of 7 angles. What we have to write here? Write the names of 7 angles. Which are 7 angles, students, here? BAC. Angle. This is the symbol for angle, no? Angle BAC. This is one angle. Which is one more angle? ACB. This is one angle, no? Which is that? Angle ACB. Again, see here. This full is one angle, no? Angle BAC. Angle BAC. Again, angle ADB. This is one angle. Yes or no? Angle ADB. Again, angle ADC. This is one angle, no? Angle ADC. Okay, how many we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They told to write 7. Again, which are left? We can write here angle BAD. Angle BAD. See, this is one angle. Again, angle DAC. This is one angle. How many were? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 angles are there. Yes or no? Now, what is the next question they have told you? Write the names of 6 line segment. What we have to write here? 6 line segment we have to find out. Tell me which are the 6 line segment? AB is one line segment. Line segment AB. Again, AC. Again, BD, DC, AD, and BC. These are the 6 line segments. Okay. Now, which is, say the D question, which 2 triangles have angle B as common? For 2 triangles, okay, what they ask, which 2 triangles have angle B as common? See here. Triangle ABD. In this triangle ABD, we have angle B. Yes or no? See here. D1. Triangle ABD and triangle B. What you can write? Triangle ABC. Okay. So this is about the exercise 4.4. See what we learned here? We just learnt about a triangle. A triangle is a 3-sided polygon. It has 3 vertices, 3 corners and 3 line segments. Yes or no? And we have learned how to, what is the symbol of a triangle? This is the symbol of a triangle. Is it understood? Now we will go for the next concept, that is quadrilaterals. So next we will see what is the quadrilaterals. Now see, a three-sided polygon is what, student? Just now I told, a three-sided polygon is a what? A three-sided polygon is a triangle. Then now see, a four-sided polygon is nothing but what? Quadrilateral. What is a quadrilateral? A four-sided polygon is a quadrilateral. Say qua means 4. Qua means what? 4. Qua means 4. Tri means 3. Okay. Now see here. A, B, C, D. Now here A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. What is this? A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. Why quadrilateral? Because how many sides it has? 1, 2, 3, 4. A four-sided polygon is called a quadrilateral. Yes or no? How many sides are there? 4 are there, no here? Now see. Now we come to know that what is a quadrilateral. A four-sided polygon is nothing but a what? Quadrilateral. Now see one more I will draw here. So what about this? D, E, F, G. Is this a quadrilateral? Yes, because how many sides it has? 1, 2, 3, 4. A four-sided polygon is nothing but a what? A four-sided polygon is nothing but a quadrilateral. Okay. Now how many sides it has? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 sides. How many vertices are there here? 1, 2 corner points. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners are there. How many corners are there? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sides it has? 4 sides it has. How many angles it has? 4 angles. 1, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3 and this is 4. Yes or no? Now we will write here. Now sides. How many sides it has? 4 sides. Sides it has 4. Which are those? AB, line segment AB, BC, CD and AD. How many sides it has? 4 sides. How many vertices this figure has? How many vertices this figure has? Tell me. How many vertices it has? One, two, three, 4. 4 vertices. Yes or no? 4 vertices. Which are those? A, B, C and D. How many angles it has? 4 angles. Which are those? Angle DAB. Angle DAB. And one more is angle ABC. ABC. One more is BCD. And one more is CDA. It has 4 sides, 4 vertices and 4 angles. That is nothing but a quadrilateral. Is it understood? What is this? This is nothing but a quadrilateral. Now see here, in quadrilateral, now we are studying here some properties. Now see here AB is going to parallel to DC. Listen here. Here AB is parallel to what? AB is parallel to DC. Okay, don't want first here. In the quadrilateral ABCD, AB and CD, what is this? AB and CD are opposite sides. Yes or no? AB and CD are opposite sides. Here, AD and BC are opposite sides. Yes, here, this AB and CD. AB and CD are opposite side. Here, two pairs of opposite sides are there. Which are those? AB is AB and DC, and one more is AD and BC. Now, so you will write your properties. In the quadrilateral, ABCD, which are the pair of opposite sides here? AB and DC, and one more is BC and AD are the pairs of opposite sides. Now see here, in the quadrilateral, okay, in the quadrilateral ABCD, AB is opposite to what? DC. Yes. See here, line segment AB and DC, BC and AD are the pairs of opposite sides. This is opposite, no students? See here, this is opposite to this and this is opposite to this. Here also see, here this is opposite to this and this is opposite to this. Is it understood? These are the what? These are the pairs of opposite sides. Now, again we can tell here, say this angle, okay, this angle is opposite to this angle. Yes or no? This angle is opposite to this angle and this angle is opposite to this angle. What we can tell here? Angle, this is the first point. See here, angle A and for this angle A, which is opposite? Angle C. Okay, and for this angle B and for this angle B, which is opposite? Angle D are the pairs of what? Are the pairs of opposite, are the pairs of opposite angles. Is it understood? See here, this is opposite to this and this is opposite to this. Now, this angle is opposite to this. Yes or no? Angle A and angle C are opposite angles. Angle B and angle D are opposite angles. Okay. Now, say what is the meaning of adjacent side? Say what is the meaning of adjacent side, student? Now see here, we come to know that opposite sides of a quadrilateral, opposite angles of a quadrilateral. Now we will see about adjacent sides. Okay. Now see here, AB, okay, line segment AB and line segment BC. See here, AB and BC. Adjacent means neighborhood, right? AB, line segment AB, line segment BC. And again we can write here BC, line segment BC and DC. Okay, DC and AD are the pairs of what? Adjacent sides. Adjacent side means neighbor sides. Here, line segment AB. For this line segment AB, for this side AB, which is the neighbor BC. BC also possible, AD also possible. Now see, line segment AB and BC. These are nothing but what? Adjacent side. Line segment BC. This side BC and DC. This is also a pair of adjacent side. For this AD, okay, for this side AD, which is the neighbor side, AB is also possible. Okay, this is nothing but a pair of adjacent sides. Okay, now see one more point. For this angle A, which is the adjacent angle? Now see here, angle A and angle B, these are adjacent angle, neighbor angles. Angle B, angle B and angle C. Okay, angle C and angle D, and angle D and angle A are the pairs of, okay, are the pairs of what? Adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. See here, what we have learnt here? We have learnt about what is a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is a four-sided polygon. Okay, a quadrilateral has four vertices. A quadrilateral has four what? A quadrilateral has four sides. Yes, a quadrilateral has four angles. Again, we have learnt about what? Some properties. What is that? See here. In a quadrilateral, we are going to get a pair of opposite sides. Which are those here in this quadrilateral? AB, side AB and side DC are opposite sides. AD and BC are opposite sides. Yes or no? And which are the pair of opposite angle? Angle A is opposite to angle C. Angle A and angle C are opposite angles. And one more pair, angle B and angle D are opposite angles. Adjacent side means neighbor side. See here, AB and BC, side AB and BC are adjacent sides, neighbor side. Again, side BC and side DC are adjacent side. Side DC and AD is also a adjacent side. Okay. Then what about adjacent angle? Adjacent angle means neighbor angle. Angle A and angle B are adjacent angle. Angle B, angle C are adjacent angle. Angle C, angle D are adjacent angle. Angle D and angle A are adjacent angle. So this is about your quadrilateral. Okay. Next we are going to solve the exercise. Okay. Now we are going to solve exercise 4.5. Okay. Now you came to know now what is a adjacent side, what is a adjacent angle. Now we will see exercise 4.5. Now say exercise 4.5. First one they have given, draw a rough sketch of a quadrilateral PQRS. Draw its diagonals. Name them. Name them. Is the meeting point of the diagonals of the diagonals in the interior or exterior of the quadrilateral. Now tell what they are told. They are told draw a rough sketch of a quadrilateral PQRS. Say draw one quadrilateral. Say a solution. Is this a quadrilateral? Yes, this is a quadrilateral. Yes or no? P, Q, R, S. This is a four-sided figure. Yes? Yes or no? Four-sided 1, 2, 3, 4. Draw a rough sketch of quadrilateral P, Q, R, S. Draw its diagonal. See, students, I am not told about your diagonal. What is this diagonal here? Say for this here vertex is there, no? For this vertex, which is the here, it should not be adjacent. Okay. Now see how many diagonals are possible here? 1. Okay. Here for this point P, the vertex is P is there, no? We have to leave the adjacent vertices. We have to leaving this adjacent vertices which is remaining here. Say how many diagonals are possible in a quadrilateral? 2 diagonals are possible in a quadrilateral. Okay, how to draw a diagonals here? Here this is vertex is Q, no? Vertex is Q is there. So leave this adjacent vertices. Okay, neighborhood vertices you leave. Which is the remaining here? This only from here to here 1 line and from here to here. Only 2 diagonals are possible in a quadrilateral. Okay. Draw its diagonal, name them. Which are the diagonal here? PR and QS. Which are the diagonals there? See here. Diagonals are PR and QS. These are the diagonals. Is the meeting point of the diagonals in the interior or exterior of the quadrilateral? Now tell me students, these 2 diagonals are meeting in the interior of the quadrilateral or exterior of the quadrilateral? Prithvi, tell me, is it meeting at the interior or exterior? Inside, no it is. See, is the meeting point of the diagonals in the interior or exterior? It is interior. What we can write here? PR and QS are the diagonals which meet at point, okay, at point O in the interior of the quadrilateral. In the interior of the quadrilateral. Okay. Now see what they are told. PR and QS are the diagonals which meet at point O in the interior of the quadrilateral. This is meeting, these 2 lines are meeting at point O, no, it is meeting in the interior. Okay, this is about the first question. Now see a second question what they told. Now we'll go for the second questions here. Draw a rough sketch of a quadrilateral. Rough sketch of a quadrilateral KLMN. State first one, two pairs of opposite sides. Okay, next they have given two pairs of opposite angles. See, when they have given two pairs of adjacent angles. And last one what they are given? Last one is D1. Two pairs of adjacent angles. So this should be side. Now see, what is the second question they are told, student? The second question is that draw a rough sketch of a what? Draw a rough sketch of a quadrilateral KLMN. See a solution. So you know that a quadrilateral is what? What is a quadrilateral? A quadrilateral is a four-sided figure KLMN. Okay, a quadrilateral is a four-sided figure. So draw a rough sketch of a quadrilateral KLMN. State two pairs of opposite sides. Tell me, two pairs of opposite sides are. See, which are the two pairs of opposite sides there here? Two pairs of opposite sides. KN, LM. Yes or no? These are opposite, no? KN and which is LM. Again, this is one pair. Which is one more pair? NM. And one more is KL. So these are the pair of opposite sides. Next, two pairs of opposite angle. Which are the pair of opposite angle here? B1. Two pairs of opposite angles are. Which are the two pairs of opposite angle? The two pairs of opposite angle are, see here, angle K. This and this are opposite angle, no? Angle K and angle M. This is one pair. Which is one more pair? Angle N and angle N and angle L. This is one more pair. Two pairs of opposite angles are there here. So next, two pairs of adjacent sides. Which are the pairs of adjacent sides? Two pairs of adjacent sides are. Tell me, which are the pair of adjacent side? Adjacent side means neighbor side. Which are the two pairs of adjacent sides here? pairs of adjacent sides are KL, KL. For this KL, which is the neighbor side, this is also possible, this is also possible, yes or no? And NM. Okay, this is one pair. Write one more pair. For this KL is LM is adjacent, it's a neighbor side, yes. KL and LM. Okay, these are the two pairs of adjacent sides. So fourth question, they told to write two pairs of adjacent angle. Adjacent angle means neighbor angles. Two pairs of adjacent angles are, which are the two pairs of adjacent angle? Angle K and angle L. So these are the neighbor angles, no? Again, for angle M, which is the neighbor angle, it is angle N. Angle M and angle N. They told to write two pairs, they are written two pairs here. Is it understood? So this is about your exercise, okay? That is 4.5. In next class, we are going to study about the circles, okay? We will see in the next class. Thank you.